Ever wondered how to dive into the world of crypto and snag some USDT? It can seem a little intimidating at first, especially if you're new to the game. You hear all these terms like blockchain, wallets, and exchanges, and it can feel like you need a secret decoder ring just to get started. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it looks. In this video, we're going to break it down step by step and show you exactly how to deposit USDT into your Kraken account. No jargon, no confusing explanations, just a clear and simple guide to get you up and running. First things first, what exactly is USDT? USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin. Think of it as a bridge between the world of traditional currency and the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can have wild price swings, USDT is pegged to the US dollar. This means that, in theory, 1 USDT is always worth about $1. This stability makes it a popular choice for traders and investors looking to move funds around without the volatility risk. Now, why Kraken? Kraken is a well-established and reputable cryptocurrency exchange. It's known for its security, a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and user-friendly interface. These factors make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. So, let's get down to business. How do you actually deposit USDT into Kraken? The process is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Create and verify your Kraken account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account on Kraken. Go to the Kraken website, make sure you're on the official site to avoid scams, and click on the Create Account button. You'll be asked to provide your email address, create a strong password, and agree to their terms of service. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure for most cryptocurrency exchanges and is in place for security and regulatory reasons. Kraken will guide you through the verification process, which typically involves submitting some personal information and identification documents. Be patient, as this process can sometimes take a little while. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Before you deposit any funds, make absolutely sure you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone in addition to your password when you log in or make a transaction. This makes it much harder for someone to access your account even if they have your password. Kraken supports various 2FA methods, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Choose one and follow the instructions to set it up. Don't skip this step, it's crucial for protecting your funds. Step 3. Navigate to the deposit page. Once your account is verified and 2FA is enabled, you're ready to deposit USDT. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Funding or Deposit section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on Kraken's interface updates, but it's usually easy to find. Step 4. Choose USDT as your deposit asset. On the deposit page, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies that you can deposit. Scroll down or use the search bar to find USDT. Click on USDT to select it as your deposit asset. Step 5. Select the USDT network. This is a crucial step. USDT exists on multiple blockchain networks, such as Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, and others. It's absolutely essential that you choose the same network when depositing USDT to Kraken as the network you're sending USDT from. If you choose the wrong network, your funds could be lost forever. Kraken will typically display the available networks for USDT deposits. Double-check the network you're using on the platform where your USDT is currently held. If you're unsure, contact the support team of the platform where you're sending the USDT from. They can tell you which network your USDT is on. Choosing the correct network is the single most important part of this process. Step 6. Generate your Kraken USDT deposit address. Once you've selected the correct network, Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for your USDT. This address is a long string of characters and numbers. Think of it like your bank account number, but for cryptocurrency. This is where you'll be sending your USDT. Step 7. Copy the deposit address carefully. This is another critical step. Make absolutely sure you copy the entire deposit address correctly. Any errors in the address, even a single character, can result in your funds being lost. The best way to do this is to use the copy button that Kraken provides. Avoid manually typing the address, as this increases the risk of typos. Step 8. Initiate the USDT transfer from your wallet or exchange. Now, go to the platform where your USDT is currently held, whether it's another exchange or a personal wallet. Find the Withdraw or Send section and select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Step 9. Paste the Kraken deposit address. Paste the Kraken USDT deposit address that you copied earlier into the appropriate field on your wallet or exchange. Triple check that the address is correct. Seriously, this is so important. Step 10. Enter the amount of USDT to transfer. Enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit into your Kraken account. Be aware of any minimum deposit amounts or withdrawal fees that your wallet or exchange might charge. Step 11. Confirm the transaction. Review all the details of the transaction one last time: the deposit address, the network, and the amount. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to enter your 2FA code to authorize the transfer. Step 12. Wait for confirmation. Once you've confirmed the transaction, it will be broadcast to the blockchain network. The time it takes for the transaction to be confirmed can vary depending on the network and network congestion. Usually, it takes a few minutes to an hour. Step 13. Check your Kraken account. After the transaction is confirmed, the USDT should appear in your Kraken account balance. You can check your balance on the Kraken website or app. And that's it. You've successfully deposited USDT into your Kraken account. Now you're ready to start trading or investing in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Remember, always double-check every step, especially the network selection and the deposit address. Treat your crypto like you would treat your cash, with care and attention. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.